How to download product manuals and info sheets from Xcel-Arc website. Go to Xcel-Arc.nz. Click the menu icon at the top left-hand corner of the website.
Go to Machines, and then choose the product you wish to download the manual or info sheet for. For example, I choose MIG welders, then Viper 185. From the Products page, scroll down to Manuals and Downloads tab. Now you can see the manual and the info sheet. Click the Download button to save the manual or info sheet. Now you know how to find and download our product manuals or info sheets.
Don't forget to subscribe for more videos from Xcel-Arc.